Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the JewelScent monthly prize club for September 2018. So JewelScent is a company that has candles and bath bombs and other bath products, and some of them have the rings in them. I watched Terry's videos. She's Southern Yankee on YouTube, and she's a sales rep for them, and I decided to go ahead and subscribe because I thought that this subscription was cool. So every month they go to a different state and they do a scent based on that. So in the box, this is kind of what it looks like. You get this, and then the stuff inside. You get a candle and 2 bath bombs. So when you get it, there's the postcard of where you're going. So this month is Vermont. And then you also get a map, and you're supposed to get a sticker that you place on whatever state you went to. I don't think I got a sticker, unfortunately, because when I opened it, I opened up the map trying to film this, and so I had to refilm it because I couldn't find the sticker, which is really sad, because now I won't have a sticker for Vermont, which was where my family's from. But anyway, it comes with a candle that has a ring in it with at least a $40 value, and then 2 essential bath bombs. Essential bath bombs mean that there is no ring inside. So this month's scent is the Maple Apple Crisp, a classically Vermont dessert made from some of the state's most recognized harvests, apples and maple syrup. When paired together, you get nothing short of a comforting crumble bursting of flavor and texture. Alright, so let me go ahead and unbox it, and then after that I will cut to me getting the ring revealed. Alright, so this is the candle. That's what it looks like. It smells really awesome. It smells like apple crisp. One thing to note, it did look like it melted in transit on the paper, but that's okay. The candle still looks intact, and it really does smell like fall. And I picked a size 6 ring, so it'll tell you what size you picked on the bottom. So the scents in this prize club are only available for people in the prize club. People who want to just go shop on the website cannot get these. Then it also comes with, and they're really well wrapped, 2 of the essential bath bombs. Like I said, these ones don't have a ring in them. These do smell slightly different than this one, but I actually like it. This smells more like the mapley part of it, like the more like food-like. And these smell more appley, like more fruity, which I think is actually better for the bath. So I will go ahead and I will cut over to a clip of me revealing the ring. So here we are at the ring reveal portion. The ring came out late last night, so I wasn't in the mood to film. This candle smells absolutely amazing. I've never used their candles before, but it made the entire apartment smell like the candle. I burned it for maybe 30 minutes and I left the apartment for about an hour, and when I came back it still smelled like the candle. So as far as the ring, this is the ring. Little focus. It seems to have brown stones which match. Kind of a Celtic knot there, and then on the bottom it looks like that. Sorry that you can see all my junk. Let me see. And that is what it looks like on. I definitely just put that on the wrong finger because this is a size 6. This is not my style ring at all, but I will find a good home for it to get to. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you like unboxing videos, you can go ahead and subscribe, and I'll have plenty more coming in the future.